Joe Beermaster. Today we have a 2015 Ford Transit and the rear door would not open. You'd have to keep hitting the remote several times and it would open. I took the handle out. I've already have it out. This is more for the professional. You take this little cap off and there's a little hex head screw or Torx. And you take the cap out and then take the handle out. I'm not showing that. I'm going to show you what the problem is. At least the problem on this one was, I took the latch out. I took the inner panel out and took the latch out. There was a piece of plastic stuck right in there. So that means the lock is starting to deteriorate. Either they got something jammed in there or it's just getting old or for overuse. So I cut the plastic off in the latch assembly, greased it up, and I'm going to put it together. I tested it and it works good. So the problem in this case is in the latch. I pulled everything out. When I pulled the handle, the cables were all moving and operating properly. But that was the problem. So check that latch out first. When they get beat up a little bit, the little plastic starts coming off or they come misaligned, and that's where you're at with that. Joe Beermaster, I hope this helped if you have this problem with the Ford Transit.